In addition to new and anticipated vehicles, the Task Force update brings major improvements to the user interface elements of aircraft radar systems and weapons selectors. Let's start with the highlights. As you might have already noticed, there are 3 new buttons in the bottom panel of the Battle UI. To use them, you need to enable the cursor. By default, this feature is assigned to the left Alt key, but you can change this by going to Controls, Common. One of the buttons controls target lock. Another one is responsible for selecting the target, and the third one enables the new controls for aircraft radar systems. Clicking the latter opens the new radar UI and enables hints for your keybinds. Clicking it again hides the hints, leaving just the buttons, and a third click hides the new UI completely. All the new buttons next to the radar screen are connected with existing features. Here's the gist of what they do. The topmost button on the left switches between radar and IRST, provided your aircraft is equipped with the latter. The button below it changes the radar search mode. The third button switches between long and close range, while the last one is responsible for all other radar or IRST modes. The line of buttons under the main radar screen allows you to change the antenna tilt, center it to bore sight, change the radar scale, and turn the radar on and off. The radar screen itself has also been changed. You can now interact with it using your cursor. For instance, you can simply drag the scanning area left or right. You can also change the tilt of the antenna by dragging the slider on the left up and down. Additionally, you can click on the text next to the radar indicator to change range, scan, and work modes. Clicking on the enemy mark now selects them as your primary target, while double-clicking it locks your radar onto them. You can remove the lock by double-clicking on the radar screen elsewhere. Another part of the UI that was changed is the weapon selector. It's now available even on planes and helicopters that have no custom loadout feature. The new menu shows what munition will be used next and what hardpoint it's attached to. This information is also displayed in the upper left corner. The letter in parentheses shows the side of the next munition. Another new addition to the weapon selector is a button that toggles periodic countermeasure release. It's found next to the icons with flares and chaff. We hope these changes will make it easier for you to use weapons and radars on top-rank aircraft. Share your impressions in the comments, and see you in our next video.